What's going on, everyone? We're going to do a little technical analysis, overall view on DraftKings. My name is Dkng with evolutiontraders.com. So what we're looking at here on DraftKings is going to be the daily time frame, currently up 63 cents on the day, 4%, and trading right around $15.75. So one thing that I do want to point out, we were basing out and building a floor right here for quite some time. If we kind of look at this last dropped here on October the 11th, all the way until we've really made a push up on the 25th, we've got about 2 weeks worth of trading action where we were building this floor between $12 and around $13.50, right? So if you manage to load in this position here, and we're currently sitting at $15.76, again, I don't care if you're, we're looking at this for a longer term outreach. A $2 move is a $2 move. Take some profits off the table. I just want to go back in time and kind of go back just about 4 months now. 3 months back to early August, right? If you see this nice run up that we had, we got rejected at this 200-day moving average, and then we had a bit of a pullback. Then we made another push higher to the 200-day moving average, and then we had a pullback. Then we had another run into the 200-day moving average, and we had a pullback. If we kind of look at where we stand now, we're confirming the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, but we are running into the 200-day moving average at around $16.42. This, for if you are in this area, needs to be a take profit zone. Whether you're going to hold the runner or you're going to hold a good size of your position to see if we do crack this area, that's completely fine, but make sure you're taking some profits along the way. Just going back 3 months, every time we come into this 200-day moving average, we have another pullback. 200-day moving average, we have a pullback. 200-day moving average, we have a pullback. If we do come into this 200-day moving average, which we're pretty much almost there, we could have another pullback. That pullback could take us to around $11. Again, not saying that that's going to happen. This could be the time where we do break the 200-day moving average. Anything over $16 and around 42 cents does have room to 17, and over 17 into $18.66. I hope that makes sense. That's how I would play it. If you are a long trader and you are looking to build a long position, just keep in mind, if you have no position in this now, I would wait until we get over the 200-day moving average before you start your position. Only reason I say that is because if you do add now and we do make another 50 cents a dollar push and then pull back, now you're going to be left holding the bag. If you are in at a lower price point, as long as we are trading over this 10-day moving average of $14, I would continue to hold it, see how much more you can squeeze out of this, and we might get lucky and break that 200-day moving average into that 1866. If you're looking to start a new position, let's at least break trend, get a close on a daily time frame over the 200-day moving average, and then wait for the following day to confirm that price action to the long side, and then get long there. Use the 200-day moving average as your stop. Again, it's been a very, very tough year for a lot of stocks, not just DraftKings. If I kind of pull up the weekly time frame here, obviously coming off those all-time highs of $74, then we did put in another bit of a run up here, which was a lower high at around 64 before this drastic kind of decline, the fall from grace, just going back to last year, the end of the year, September, October of 2021. All of this year, we've pretty much been down in the dumps, low price of $9.77. So we are basing out, we're building a floor here. If you do look at it from a weekly perspective, we are confirming the weekly chart over the 20-day moving average. This is extremely bullish. We do have room to run into $18. $17 to $18 would be a take profit zone. Okay. We have not been over the 50-day moving average all year on a weekly perspective. So just know that if we do come into the $17, $18 zone, it is a take profit zone. You must take profits there. Again, this looks very, very nice to at least test $17, $18. And there could be a potential trade there for some of you guys that are holding this long position, especially if you've gotten in over the last 3 to 4 weeks down here in between that $11 and $13 range. This is going to be a fantastic little trade for you. But again, the change doesn't happen and nothing is going to significantly be different until DraftKings can get back over the 50-day moving average and get out of all of this macro supply. And for me personally, that would be at least getting back over that $21 area. Over $21 is going to absolutely fly to 27. Again, how long does it take before that happens? What type of catalyst is going to need to happen with the overall economy? I don't know, but all we can do is kind of play the current levels. Again, if you do want to take a short position, because I know some of you guys do like to play short term and take a short position, below $14.67 is your short position on DraftKings. It is going to have room back down to 12. So just keep that in mind. You do have about a couple dollars worth of room to the downside. But again, for everyone who is playing along over this weekly 20-day moving average, has room to 18. Not saying that it's 100% going to get there, but this is our potential. Potentially, we do not have any supply on a weekly time frame. Given you're going to get your ups and your downs intraday, but on a weekly time frame, we don't have any major resistance until around that 50-day moving average, which is sitting at around $18. Hope this helps. Again, my name is Dkng. If you guys would like to trade with me and the crew, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. I will see you guys all on the next video.